Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android screen lock not working on Samsung Galaxy. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon and then hit restart to restart your device. If that does not work, hold the power button along with the volume down button together to force restart your device. If the issue still persists, if the issue still persists, what you can try and do is check your smart lock and extended lock options. For that, head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, what you can do is find your lock screen, or you can also head over to your search bar and then search for extended lock or smart lock, whatever you have on your device. Once you're inside smart lock, what you'll have to do is tap on smart lock and then you'll have to enter your pattern. Once you are inside the settings, what you'll have to do is disable smart lock. If the issue still persists, what you can try and do is hold the power button along with the volume up button and then boot your device into safe mode. From there, you can try to see if any app is causing the problem. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.